In front of me is iPad Air 13 2026, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Passwords Manager. First of all, you need to open Passwords app that's already on your iPad and enter your current passcode. Then select Continue, tap on Allow, and to add a passcode, use this plus at the bottom. Then input all of those informations. At the top, type in any website or any app. Then username, email or phone number. Password. And even take some helpful notes. Once you're done, use this checkmark at the top right corner. As you can see, after a few seconds, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!